How cool is this? We're going to unbox, get in and fiddle around with Tony Gray's new RC10CC Crystal Clear. Is that what they're calling it?
Crystal Clear.
Here we go.
I can't argue with that. Oh,
they got 3 seals. They make sure that people don't get their grubby little fingers in, hey? Is that secretly satisfying? Look, there's one over here.
Yeah, I know.
It's got a driver figure. When was the last time you got an RC10 with a driver figure?
I don't know. That looks like it's the off the original mould even.
Beautifully detailed recreation of the original. I've never had a gold pan nor silver pan.
The famous
Bag J.
After J. Halsey.
It gets left behind a lot, Bag J, doesn't it?
It does.
If it is metric, I'll be disappointed. These are frosted too.
Not the first nuts you've seen today either. Oh, that's the original, the original picture too, which is good.
Is it? Looks like something that, well, I wasn't going to say even you drew. You would draw better than that.